Because of the teamwork here, we are able to produce a quality product in which our customers will enjoy. We keep on trying to see how we can get better, challenge ourselves to set the bar and raise the bar, right? So we can meet and exceed the customer's expectations.
Before starting, I ask you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and at the end, share this video with your friends. Let's go to the video.
This facility, we have blank metal delivered, and what we do is we stamp the parts and deliver them to our customer, which is the body shop. Depending on the part that we're running, the operator will bring the crane in, and they'll bring the die on the crane, and they'll put it inside the press, and the press will press the parts.
Body shop takes a whole lot of individual pieces of sheet metal. We put them through tooling stations, we weld them, we join them together with sealer, and at the very end it comes out a completed body, just like what you would see going down the road. We have over 1,000 spot weld guns in the body shop. Most of them are done by robots. Robots can repeat dimensionally every time. They put the weld in the same place on every job. And so it increases quality because we know that our welds are where they're supposed to be. We build all of the full-size SUVs, the Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, Yukon XL, and Escalade. From the start of this body shop to the exit, there's approximately 600 vehicles in process at any given time if it's full. We're capable of producing approximately 1,500 vehicles a day.
Once we receive a vehicle from the body shop, it takes 6.5 hours to go through all of our processing. We have the pre-treatment, which is phosphate elbow. We have the sealer, we have primer, and then eventually the top coat processes as we go through. The overall appearance, we were #1 in the GM Corporation for fill readings of having the highest level for our value, and we continue striding to be #1.
By the time we start building a vehicle at the very beginning of our body shop, it takes about 22 to 24 hours to get right to here.
When you look at it, we're building 1,203 jobs a day. That's 6,015 units a week. That's a lot of trucks we're pumping out of here.
Every vehicle we're building, like we're only going to build one. So we got to make it perfect. We run them through rigorous testing before we ship them to them.
Our theme here at General Motors is continuous improvement.
Quality is the #1 focus outside of safety, of course.
We love trucks, we love our vehicles, and we take pride in what we do.
What makes the product great here is the people. Because of the teamwork here, we are able to produce a quality product in which our customers will enjoy. We keep on trying to see how we can get better, challenge ourselves to set the bar and raise the bar, right? So we can meet and exceed the customer's expectations.